Hey there, Snapchat users. Welcome back to our channel where we share valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to report a lens in Snapchat. If you come across a lens that violates Snapchat's community guidelines or find it inappropriate, this full guide is for you. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. The app will naturally open to the camera section, so go straight to the lens you want to report. Step 2. Once you've found the lens you want to report, tap and hold on the lens icon. This action will bring up a menu of options. Step 3. From the menu, locate and tap on the option that says Report. This will initiate the lens reporting process. Step 4. After tapping on Report, you'll be presented with a list of reasons for reporting the lens. Step 5. Select the reason that best describes why you are reporting the lens. This will help Snapchat understand the issue more accurately. By following these steps, you can easily report a lens in Snapchat that violates community guidelines or is deemed inappropriate. Your report will assist in maintaining a safe and enjoyable Snapchat experience for all users. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.